When on a diet or breaking your fast, you need food that is rich in protein, and most of the time we choose or tend to enjoy eggs, which are budget friendly and they're a good source of protein. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn some boring boiled egg into an amazing, flavorful, very delicious, healthy, nutritious egg. This is going to be a game changer once you try out the recipe. You need 6 eggs for this recipe, and of course you can double, triple the ingredients to make some more egg boil. We are going to start off by boiling our eggs, and I've already added some water to my pot. So I'm going to carefully drop in my clean eggs into the water. Add in a pinch of salt. For that hard-boiled egg, you're going to boil for 10 minutes. If you love your eggs jammy, boil for around 6 to 8 minutes. As the eggs are boiling or cooking, you're going to prep up some onions. We have garlic and coriander together with a lemon. And also you're going to need a few spices like garlic powder, we have paprika, onion powder, and Cajun seasoning together with salt. So the recipe is as simple as that. See you after 10 minutes. When your eggs are ready, you're going to put out the flames and transfer to a bowl with cold water. And what will happen is the cold water is going to cool down the egg, hence the shell is going to release from the egg itself. So I'm going to place this aside. And because we have already prepped up everything, you're going to get straight into cooking. Over medium flame, I'm going to add in some olive oil. You can add in some cooking oil, but olive oil is going to add in some very nice taste to the egg. When the oil is ready, you're going to add in a thinly sliced large onion. Make sure the flames are at low because you don't want to burn your onions. Cook your onions for around a minute until translucent. When your eggs have cooled down, you're going to drain the water. Then you're going to bash on your countertop, peel your eggs. Slowly cooking your onions is going to add in sweetness because you have caramelized, and the onions are going to release that natural sweetness into the dish. Almost done peeling my eggs, and also frequently stirring my onions so that they don't brown too much. You just need a little bit of browning. When your onions are looking just like this, you're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic, which you're going to saute for around 30 seconds. So the garlic is going to cook out the raw flavor and add in an amazing flavorful aroma in your kitchen and also to the dish. And when the garlic is ready, you're going to add in your spices. Stir in the spices and toss for around 30 seconds, and this is going to make the spices very aromatic. Then next, you're going to add in around half a cup of water. Stir in. And the key here is to make sure the onions don't have that dark color because they won't be looking so good once the egg boil is ready. You're going to stir in everything, add in seasoning. I'm going to add in around a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring the flames to medium. And while my sauce is cooking, I'm going to slice my eggs and transfer into a bowl. In 2 minutes, the sauce is going to reduce and thicken up, so you're going to squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice into the pan. And the lemon juice is going to bring out all those lovely flavors from the spices. Stir in. I'm going to check the seasoning final time. This is how your sauce is going to be looking, and you can also add in some green chilies to make the dish spicy. So when ready, I'm going to put out the flames and transfer to my eggs. Just look at that lovely sauce. Yum. You can enjoy the egg boil as is, or you can serve over some sweet potatoes, arrowroots, or even any carb of choice, and it's going to be so delicious. We have a little bit of sauce. It's flavorful, a kick of spiciness from the Cajun seasoning, and everything is just mouth-watering.